In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily decline incoming call from the lock screen on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Now I'm gonna call myself to that iPhone, and as you can see on the screen right now, there is no option to reject that call, and we can only accept it by dragging this slider from left to right. That's because in order to reject a call, we need to use that power button located at the right edge of our iPhone. If we press it once, just like that, we just mute the call so we can silence the call easily without canceling it. And if we press right here at this button one more time, then the call will be rejected, just like that. Basically, guys, all you have to do to decline a call is just double press this power button. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.